Well, I'm going to work on a project today. This metal part back here is always hard to keep clean, so I think I'm going to put a small piece of carpet on the back step there and on the back step down here, and we'll see how this goes. Let's get started. Okay, I've got the area prepped. I've cut the piece of carpet that I'm going to put in here. I put the papers down because I'm going to spray the back of the carpet and the wall part with 3M77 spray adhesive, and I put the paper down just to take care of any type of overspray. So let's get started on the spraying. Well, and here's the finished job. Went on really good. It was I masked everything off, as you could tell, but I think this will really add to the entrance to the RV. These are just loose. I bought a mat at Walmart and cut them down to fit, and these are really good because you can just pick them up and shake them out and put them back in, so they're not permanently on those steps. But I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. It looks really good, and I think this is going to add a lot to it. I must tell you though, when you're using that 3M77 spray adhesive, you spray both areas of where you're going to place whatever you're gluing. For instance, in this case, I sprayed the back part of the coach, and then I sprayed the back of the pad that I was going to install. Waited about 10 minutes until it got really tacky, and then just put it right on there. Now, one of the things you got to remember when you're using that 3M77 spray is you better be right and aligned right whenever you are absolutely going to stick that other part to whatever you're gluing to, because once it sticks, it's there, and it's very hard, in some cases impossible, to remove it or pull it back off. So just a little caution on using the 3M77 spray. But I'm very pleased with the way this project ended up. I think it adds a lot to the project. If you like this video, like it and share it. Give me a thumbs up, please, and any comments, let me know. And everybody have a great and blessed day. Have a good one.